At A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos, we do service and repair air conditioning on your vehicle. So, if it's summertime, you haven't used the air conditioning for a long time and you turn it on, do you hear a funny noise? Is the temperature just not feeling cold enough? These are all areas where we would start with the air conditioning inspection. So what do we inspect? We inspect for belts, we inspect relays. You have 2 fans that come on when you request on your air conditioning. Are they working? Maybe one isn't. Maybe one's partially working. We check the level of Freon in the system. Maybe you have a slow leak and just over time it's leaked out. So these are all things we check because there's so many components that make a successful air conditioning work. Once we determine what the issue is, we'll give you a call, we'll take a picture of it, and explain what your options are. Now, once the repair work is done, we fill your system back up with air conditioning Freon, we add leak dye, and then we add a little bit of oil to make sure everything's still running smooth. We'll retest the air conditioning. Temperature should come down to about 40 degrees or so. Once that's confirmed, we'll go ahead and let you go. And then we'll ask you to return in about 500 miles for a re-inspection. We'll recheck all of our work, and then we'll also check for any sorts of other air conditioning leaks. We hope to have the opportunity to work with you here at A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos. Thanks so much.
www.aplusjapaneseautorepair.com, 650-946-1856, San Carlos, California.